How to quickly remove a background in Photoshop by using your mobile. So first of all, you have to download the Photoshop Express or Adobe Photoshop Mix on your device. Navigate to your Google Play Store and search for the Photoshop Express here. Once you have searched for the Photoshop Express, you have to install this on your device and wait for the installation has been successfully completed. Once your Photoshop Express has been successfully installed, you have to just go for the open option. And here you have to just go for the OK option and allow the permission. And here you have to just go and tap on the one of the image here. After tapping on the one of the image, here you have to tap on the continue option. And here you have to look for the option of cutout tool, which icon looks like a seizure or marks here. So scroll to the right here and you have to look for that option. So here you have to just go and tap on the crop option. And here you have to look for the scissor option first of all. Also, you can go back. So if there is not cutout option at all, you have to scroll down and go for the background option. And here you have to select your background like this. And go back, go for the none option. And you have to just go for your background option and go for the remove option here like this. And that's the way how you can do it. So after that, you can refine with the brush to adjust the edges too after that. And on the top right, you can see the share icon. You can export to your device and just go for the download option here. So this is the way how you can remove your background. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.